How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're showing you exactly how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Accidentally deleting messages on Messenger. We've all been there, frantically searching for that important message you just deleted. So, to recover deleted messages on Messenger. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the 3 horizontal lines button in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Scroll down till you see Your Facebook Information section. Under Your Facebook Information, tap Download Your Information. Tap Continue, then tap on Download or Transfer Information. Select Facebook account, then tap Next at the bottom. Select specific types of information. Select Messages. Make sure the checkbox next to it is selected, then tap Next. Select Download to Device, then tap Next. Here you can choose the date range for your messages if you want. For Notify, you will see your email by default. For Format, choose HTML. For Media Quality, choose Medium. Once you're done, tap on Create Files at the bottom. Now, Facebook will prepare your download, which can take some time depending on the amount of data. They'll notify you by email when it's ready. Once it's ready, you'll be able to download a zip file containing your message history. And this is how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. If you have any questions about recover deleted messages on Messenger, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.